was just a girl.
We're like diamonds in the sky.
Don't you worry, yeah. Yeah, yeah, except for me. Cause it's always a good time.
Hi guys, I'm Scarlett. Welcome to my video. So today's video, I want to share my life before I become who I am today. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start our video. When I was in college, I was an architecture student. I wanted to finish my study to have a better and comfortable life. And to share my experience, I wanted to show you some clips of me when I was in college. So, dito guys is, nasa biyahe na ako and papunta na ako ng school. So, ayan, medyo matagal kasi medyo malayo yung school sa bahay namin. So, ayan guys, nakadating na ako sa station ng tren. And nagwe-wait lang ako sa tren na sasakyan ko. Ayan, di ba guys, ang ganda-ganda. And dito guys, nakasakay na ako sa tren, papunta ng school. Yan, update ko na lang kayo guys pag nasa school na ako. And ayan guys, nakababa na ako and nagutom ako kaya bumili muna ako ng tinapay. And dito is pupunta na ako sa aming room. Yan, kita nyo guys, ang ganda ng room. Puro siya mga plates ng kaklase ko. Yan guys, diba ang dami-dami. And dito is, magagawa na kami ng aming plate. Punta na kami dun sa paggagawa namin. And ayan guys, nag-start na kaming maggawa. Yan, kitang-kita diba? Ang ganda. And dito, palis na ulit kami kasi may kailangan kaming bilhin. At yan, nakasakay na kami ulit. And andito na kami sa kailangan namin pagbilhan and bibili lang kami ng mga konting gamit like ito, Canva para sa aming mga projects. Ayan, pabalik na ulit kami sa aming paggagawa ng aming mga project. And ayan, nandito na ulit kami. Dito, mag-start na ulit kami maggawa ng project. Yan, nagsusukat na kami then ikakat na namin yung mga kailangang ikat. And dito makikita na nasisimulan na namin na gawin yung mga projects. Yan. And dito is pauwi na ulit ako sa aming house. Yan. And naglalakad na lang ako papunta sa sakayan. So dito guys is nasasakay na ulit ako. And yan, nakasakay na ulit ako. Guys, ang bilis, nakababa na ulit ako. Pauwi na ako sa amin. And yun lang. Bye-bye! So, that's the life of an architecture student. Next, I wanted to share you the one of the best day of my life. My graduation day. I could say that this moment is the one of the special memories that I don't want to forget. So, join me on my graduation day.
And force us into a good life. You have children someday. When they point to the pictures, please tell them my name. Tell them how the crowds went wild. Tell them how I hope they shine.
experience their tradition and culture. We went to Japan, Australia, Korea, Switzerland, and London, and so much more. And I want to show you the video of the country we enjoyed the most.
So, dito guys, is nasa airplane na kami and papunta kami sa Japan. Ayan guys, this is my feet. And look guys, ang ganda ng view sa taas. And ayan guys, nasa airport na kami ng Japan and makikita nyo naman ang cute, diba? Sa Pokemon yan, si Pikachu and yung mga iba pang character. And yan, nasa airport na nga kami and nagpunta muna kami sa malapit na bilihan para bumili niyan and yan. And then yan guys, nasa room na kami and yan yung hotel namin. And look, ang ganda ng view sa taas. Then yan, ang ganda ng room. Yan, ang cute diba? Super nakaka-elegant. And yan, ang ganda diba? Super good ng view. And dito guys, ganito yung itsura ng CR nila. Yan, may bathtub. And dito naman guys, is nagpunta kami sa mall. Yan. Ito mo naman, ang daming pagkain dito. Diba? Iba't ibang uri din. Pero hindi lang ako familiar sa mga ganyang pagkain kasi iba yung sulat. Yan, dito guys, is nagagala-gala lang kami sa labas. Yan, and ang ganda dito guys. Yan, yung mga pinamili namin kaninang pagkain. And yan, ang ganda talaga dito. Ang dami niyang mga buildings and iba't ibang buildings yan. At sa paggagala namin guys, nakakita kami ng mga bilihan ng ganito. Mga anime siya and mga cartoons. Yan. And dito guys is gusto namin mag-claw machine. Kaso nakakainis. Yan. Hindi yan makukuha. Nakakainis. Ang cute-cute sana. Ano ba yan? Talaga yan makukuha. Ay, nakakainis talaga pag naaalala ko eh. Yan, ang dami pang ibang claw machine dito. Yan. Hindi din yan makukuha. O, kita mo? Hindi talaga siya nakuha. Ang cute. And yun lang guys yung mga ganap namin nung pumunta kami ng Japan.
After enjoying life and travel around the world, we decided to get married. The most awaited and prepared taste of our lives. The moments that each of us will never forget. Because of the happy moments that we shared to each other with our loved ones. And after all of that, we had a complete and happy family and also a comfortable life. That is the story of my life. I hope you enjoyed the story and this video. That's all for today. Bye-bye!